Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on your DELL Pro 14. To turn on your laptop, you simply have to short press the power button once, and if you see the backlight on your keyboard, or at least the light turning on your power button, that means that your laptop is starting. If it's not launching, then most probably it's just discharged and you have to connect the charging cable to your laptop. In a moment you will see the system, and that's how you turn on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.